Illuminate your porch or patio and expand your outdoor living space with the stunning look of the Trex RainEscape Soffit Lights. The Trex RainEscape Soffit Lights installs below-deck drainage systems on elevated decks and features a directional LED downlight. Featuring a complete powder-coated aluminum housing and a polycarbonate lens, the Trex RainEscape Soffit Light is water, snow, and salt air resistant for a long-lasting glow in any climate. My favorite thing about these lights is how easy they are to install. The simple plug-and-play system eliminates the hassle of traditional canned lighting or hiring an electrician. You can also add an optional remote control, timer, and dimmer for complete control of your lighting setup. They have two steel-sprung tension clips that securely hold the light in place, eliminating the need for fasteners and hardware. The Trex RainEscape Soffit Light is available in 3 premium Trex finishes: bronze, black, and white, and backed by a limited 5-year warranty on the LED light and a 10-year warranty on the powder coating. The Trex RainEscape Soffit Light is available now at DecksDirect.com. If you have any questions regarding your lighting setup, give us a call or chat with us online. We love talking to you about your deck project.